Office in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, east central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Geneva, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, West Town, Austin, Lincoln Park, Chicago Loop, Lakeview, Irving Park, South Lawndale, Bridgeport, and West Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.